Kajei Salim has now finally spoken. Andũ nĩ makoretwo metereire mũno kuona ũrĩa ke ekuga kuma rĩrĩa makorirwo agũthitangwo. Kajei ndarĩ akorwo akĩarĩrĩria ndeto ĩyo na mafans marakoretwo metereire mũno, eagerly waiting kuona what Kajei Salim will have to say about this issue. Na ũndũ wa mbere Kajei Salim akorwo akĩamba kwarĩrĩria nĩ ũhoro wĩgiĩ Maûndû, na Kajei Salim nĩ akorwo akiumbũra ndeto itiganĩte ciĩgiĩ Maûndû, kena Maûndû, ũrĩa mamenyanĩte, ũrĩa matwaranĩte so far. Na he shared this akiuga, never underestimate the power of friendship and respect. Those two can take you places. Story time. Here's my story on how I met this jambazi in the industry. Back in 2017, I was attending a function somewhere in Githurai 44. Sikumbuki ilikuwa ya nani, and that's where I met him. He had not released even Dire Mutwe, so I didn't know him, but he knew me. Hapo backstage, Samido akanisalimia, nikasalimika na madharau sana, na nikaenda. Time passed and I met him later in 2018. After his Dire Mutwe hit, I used to perform at a club in 44. Club ilikuwa inaitwa Beaver as a resident artist every weekend. So Samido would visit, akikuja na mpea stage, a perform ndio wimbo ijulikane vizuri. That's how our friendship started, and later we would start meeting even in private. Tunafanya practice pamoja behind closed doors. This friendship became so great that even when I did my first international show in Dubai, Samido came all the way to support me, and it was a great surprise. Since then, we've done international shows together in over 15 different countries around the world, such as Dubai, France, Belgium, Switzerland, Germany, among many others. He has been of great support in my music career and many others. What I'm trying to say is, when you create good relationships with people, respect and support each other, you end up reaching places you never even dreamed of. Kajei Salim akiuga atĩ Maûndû nĩ mũndũ marutithanĩtie nake haraihu mũno, nĩ mũndũ matwaranĩte o wega kuma rĩrĩa makorirwo akũmenyekana, both when they were still upcoming artists. Matwaranĩte o wega biũ, kũndũ nginya marutithanĩtie wĩra nginya outside country, na ndũgũ yao ti tu ya wĩra-inĩ, aca. They have a really close friendship, a friendship of respect, mutual support and great brotherhood. Koguo this is someone that he values so much, na ndangĩenda mũndũ akĩreha itherũ kũrĩ Maûndû kana ũini wake. Na acoka akiuga atĩ on the matter relating to gũkorwo magĩthitangwo, nĩ akorwo akiuga atĩ for now silence is his option. He's going by silence, ndegũkorwo akĩarĩrĩria ndeto ĩno. For now he's choosing to remain silent, but when the time is right nĩ ekwaria na nĩ akaria mũno, nĩ agũkorwo agĩtumbũrĩra ũhoro wothe. Na akiuga, I know most of you expect me to comment on the ongoing copyright claim, but this is not the right time. For now I choose to be silent. When the time is right, I will come here and tell you guys all about it. Silence is golden. Patience. Kajei akiuga hĩndĩ nĩ ĩgũka arĩrĩrie na aumbũre ũma wothe, but for now he's choosing to remain silent. Na akĩhoya mafans ake makorwo me patient na mamũhe time. They remain patient for now. Na ndũgakĩriganĩrwo gũ-subscribe for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news. Never miss an update. Subscribe now.